Pick the irregular verb. Test your grammar skills. Which of these verbs is irregular? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Is it A, live, B, let, C, end, or D, talk? The correct answer is B, let. The past simple is let, and the past participle is also let. Number 2. Is it A, close, B, clean, C, boil, or D, break? The correct answer is D, break. The past simple is broke, and the past participle is broken. 3. Is it A, bake, B, fake, C, skate, or D, take? The correct answer is D, take. The past simple is took, and the past participle is taken. 4. Is it A, stay, B, rest, C, sit, or D, perch? The correct answer is C, sit. The past simple is sat, and the past participle is also sat. And finally, number 5. Is it A, forget, B, notice, C, guess, or D, remember? The correct answer is A, forget. The past simple is forgot, and the past participle is forgotten. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.